good people, so good to see so many familiar faces. And as you know, in this location, you are not buying a house today, you are buying a home. No changes, as you would expect. The rules of engagement, I'll take those as being read and understood. But as we not here to elongate proceedings, guys. I don't want to stand between you and a beautiful Sunday. You should be out in the boat today. Out on the golf course, Joe.
900.
900,000. Thank you. 10,000 on the climb or more. Put it 900,000 in the kicker. 910. We're not selling at that number, are we, neighbours? Are we, neighbours?
No.
No. Gee, I'll be lynched by that. You'll see it. It's okay. Jack, 920.
920.
Thank you. Now, I'm not going to run them up with vendor bids. If you're 20,000, what's at 920? Not going to dilly-dally. Twice they're in the box seat, Jack, at 920, 20 out of it now. Last chance. Righto, Jack, let's have a conversation. Not here to muck around. Righto, team, thank you. I want to delay in this location. Good 950,000 New Zealand dollars. On that proviso, I sell. Breaking news, what I offer at 950,000 out of it.
51.
You all absorb that, and thank you, sir, for the little cameo at 51. Way we go. At 951 and 51 out of it now. Has he done it with a little single?
52.
I don't think so. At 52.
55.
55. Good strategy at 55 at 9. 60. Triple tops at 960. 60.
One without him.
61. Don't be pulling up the pony though. Keep showing strength at 961. Out you go.
62.
62. Give me the 65.
One without him.
63. Hands are up. Twice. Last chance.
65.
65. Hey.
One more thousand.
Clickety click.
Yep.
66. 960. What about a little 5 drinking vouchers? What about a little 500? A little housekeeping. A little bit of shrapnel. No, at 966, Sebastian, you do it again at 966. It goes. It goes. It is.